Welcome to my channel Sara Cooks for You. Today we are making a very healthy beverage at home using some fruits and vegetables. This is a must try, refreshing, at the same time extremely healthy recipe. You can Google the benefits of beetroot juice, carrot juice, ginger and lemon to know the power of this healthy juice. For this I've used 4 carrots, 1 beetroot, 1 Mosambi, or you can replace it with any citrus fruit like orange, 1 lemon and ginger. If you don't like ginger that much, you can reduce it to half the quantity, but this adds an extra taste, and it also adds a lot of benefits to this. So first let's extract the Mosambi juice and keep it aside, and we'll add in the chopped carrots, beetroot and the ginger to a mixer, grinder or a juicer. For this juice, we'll use a total of about 1200 ml of water. So first I'll add in half of the water. We'll first grind it and then add in the rest of the water. This juice is really tasty, healthy, and it is free from preservatives, and it's also very economical as it serves at least 7 to 8 people. Instead of buying ready-made juice, you can easily make this juice at home. So I added the rest of the water as well. We'll grind it once again and strain the juice. Don't use a very fine strainer for this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like my video, and let me know in the comments section if you tried it. So we'll put back this pulp into the mixer and add some more water to it. Again, let's strain it. Now after straining the juice completely, you can discard this. Let's add in the lemon juice. Just squeeze in the lemon that we had kept. And then we'll also add in the Mosambi juice. You can add juice from 2 to 3 Mosambis also if you like to. If you're serving this juice to diabetics or adults, you can just serve it as it is. But if you're serving this to kids who are a little fussy, you can add some amount of sugar to it because it has carrots and beetroots. It is a bit sweet, but it just requires very small amount of sugar to sweeten it. So even the kids will enjoy having this delicious, and the color is so attractive that you can even give this to kids to drink it. I'm sure they love it too. So do try this and let me know in the comments if you liked it.